Are you suffering from baldness, alopecia, maybe loss of front hair or some other hair issues? Then keep watching to see this powerful recipe that would actually help you to grow your hair. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel at @Formulation School. Here on this channel, I share with you free formulas, free tips, like free recipes that could actually help you on your hair care journey or your formulation journey. So if you're ready to subscribe to my channel, do subscribe and also follow me on Instagram at @Formulation School, because hey, I have a lot of things in stock for you this year. And if you also want to join my community, then check the link in the description box to know how to join. Yeah, so back to the topic of today. I'll be sharing with you how to use the combination of onion and garlic to actually grow your hair. Trust me, this recipe is actually very, very effective. Forget it, oh, you've heard of onion before, you've heard of garlic, oh, it's something that I use normally, yeah, but it is actually very, very effective. And this is something that I've tried myself, and I also recommend to my customers who have alopecia, who have baldness, to actually try, and it works for them. So you should try this out. And one reason why this thing actually works is because onion and garlic is actually rich in sulfur content, like it is high in sulfur, and sulfur helps to grow the hair. That is why when we are formulating our hair care products, we should introduce sulfur in its breakable form. So let's get right into the recipe of the day. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to use onion and garlic for baldness and alopecia. Now what you need to know is that onion and garlic is actually very, very rich in sulfur. Sorry, I'm trying to check the video. Onion and garlic is actually very, very rich in sulfur, like it's high in sulfur, and sulfur helps with hair growth, right? And that is why even when you're making your product, you can introduce sulfur, like you can include sulfur in your product in the easily breakable form. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead to peel this onion, and I will also peel the garlic, right? And then when I peel them, I would blend it and sieve. So I would let you know, let you know when I'm done peeling it, and then I'll also let you know when I'm done blending it. So yeah, I am done with peeling it. Then I'll just rinse it and blend it. I could cut the onion into smaller pieces to help blend it easily. So I'll just blend it, and I would sieve it. Blended it, and then I'll just go ahead to sieve it. You can use a cloth sieve, but me, I'll be using a recap because I just love that recap. It's just so functional. So I want you need to know this mixture is very effective. It is very effective. I mean, I'm not just talking from, oh, I had this or I had that. I've actually tried it myself, and this is something that I actually recommend to my clients that have alopecia and all. So they use this mixture, and it actually really, really works. There are a lot of things you can actually do with natural ingredients, right? Though it's not every natural ingredient you should use on your hair, because there are some that are really, really difficult to break down. Our hair cannot break down every single ingredient, so you need to know the ones you can use and the ones you cannot use, the ones that are actually beneficial to your scalp and the ones that will actually be harmful to your scalp. But this mixture is actually the truth, and I'm going to be sharing so many mixtures, so many recipes, so many DIYs that you can actually make at home that will actually help with your hair health and hair growth, right? So yeah, I'm done sieving this, and then I'll just put it in a bottle, and I will be storing this in the fridge for just a few days. So when you want to make it, you need to make a very small batch because it gets spoiled easily, right? And I'll be showing you how to apply this on your hair. So I hope you've learned something today. I hope you've learned how to use a combination of garlic and onion for hair growth. If you're suffering from baldness, or you know someone suffering from baldness, or you're suffering from alopecia or front hair loss or something like that, then you should actually try this and just be consistent. You are going to see massive results. I've tried this myself. My customers have tried this, and it works for them. Yeah. So please subscribe to my channel, because I still have a lot I'm going to share with you all. And if you'd like to join my community, you should check the link in the description box to know how to join. Also follow me on Instagram at @Formulation School. I have a diploma course in organic hair care formulation where you can learn more about hair products formulation, how to develop your own formulas yourself, customized formulas, practicals and things like that. So if you would love to learn about it, just send me a DM on WhatsApp. My number will be in the description box. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.